Okay, you guys, so here is the video clip of me doing my spring slash passion twist. Here are the strands that I use. I got this pack of hair off of Amazon. It is a 3-tone ombre twist crochet hair. It's black, then a brown to a 27 blonde. Here's the crochet needle that I use to go under the braid. I braid my hair about a 1/2 inch to an inch from the scalp and then crochet through the braid. And then I do a braid about 1/2 inch down and then I begin to twist. As you can see here, once the natural hair strand is in the middle of the 2 crochet twists, I split my hair in half and then begin to twist down the strand. This is the wax that I use for my hair. It's a beeswax natural lock, and that's what I use instead of a hard gel or an edge control on my hair strands, so that they blend and stick with the crochet hair. Once I'm closer towards the end of my strands, I begin to twist a little tighter to make sure that my natural hair stays in the twist, and then I use jam for the ends of the crochet hair. Now, if you see me pulling the strands upwards, it's to give that passion twist type of look that gives the twist or your spring twist or passion twist that wavy type of look. If you can see in the other strands how there are like grooves and dips, that's what happens when you pull the strands upwards. And here you just want to coil the twist on your finger at the end. And then you want to cut those ends off, those sprinkly ends off as well. This is the top of my head. This is what I had left. This is my natural hair just blown out. It's not flat ironed or anything of the nature. I just deep conditioned and then let it dry overnight and twist, and then blow dried it out right before I started my twist that day. And then now you're just going to see me go through the process of finishing this last row of twists that I had to do on my head. So keep watching. hair. Let's see. I think I've had my twist in for 2 weeks now. I think it's exactly 2 weeks to the day. I did them on a Saturday prior to me going to Vegas for a conference. And I wanted to do an update, and I didn't want to do it before I retwisted my hair because I'm going home to Houston next week. So this is kind of last minute. That's why I ain't got time for makeup and all that today. So I just wanted to show you guys what my spring / passion twists are looking like after 2 weeks of being in 1 week being in Vegas and 1 week being back at work. And if you are new to the channel, then you don't know, but I am military. So I wear my hair in a bun every single day, which puts a strain on your twist as well. So they have gotten very puffy. My hair, if you haven't seen my natural hair, I have fine, super curly hair. I have a little bit of different textures. Not sure what specific texture I am, but yeah. So just wanted to show you guys what my twists are looking like. Now, I purposely did not wrap my hair every night. I think I wrapped my hair the first 3 nights. I did my hair Saturday before flying out to Vegas on a Sunday, and my first 2 nights in Vegas, just to keep my edges in nape from puffing and all that good stuff. So I did wrap them those nights, but I purposely did not use my silk wrap around my head all the rest of the nights because I wanted to see what they would do, or what this type of hair would do with low maintenance. Like people who don't have time to wrap their hair, people who just want to throw it up in a pineapple like I do every night, a bun at the top of my head every night and go to sleep because I wear it in a bun in the back of my head every day for work. So I have a lot of flyaways. My hair is started to puff out of the twist after the first week. I did get in the pool one day in Vegas. I didn't go all up in the water or nothing like that, but I was in the pool, you know, moisture, humidity, whatever, hair starts to curl up, all that good stuff. So the method that I did, if you've seen in the video earlier, was the crochet method. So I braided my hair about 1 inch of the way from my scalp, and then crocheted the hair under the braid and then twisted from there. I got my hair off of Amazon. It's an ombre hair strand. So here's what the hair looks like. I did get 3 packs, and if I'm not mistaken, I believe each pack came with 27 pieces in 1 pack, and I used 2.5 packs. They added another crochet needle in the pack, and then they put in like some little twist braid jewels in there as well. So for the back of my head, I used 1 whole strand, and I would just run through, let it puff out, separate a little bit. I didn't completely separate the strands until I got to the front of my hair where like I did smaller partings and I wanted smaller twists. So this is half of 1 strand, and I will use the other half for around my edges because I wanted those twists to be smaller, more natural looking. So that's what I did. I want y'all to really see how the hair started giving out strands like this, like straight strands randomly through the twist. Here is my hair, and here is the twist. You can see my hair starting to unravel from the twist. So this is what my hair looks like. I haven't seen it back, y'all, so I'm gonna see it in this video when I watch it. I don't know what it looks like, but I wanted y'all to see like the real truth on what they look like after 2 weeks. And once again, I did not wrap my hair. I just wear it in a bun on the top of my head at night. And then I have to pull it back in a bun during work every day. So that causes a lot of frizz, a lot of these strands, a lot of the twists starting to, you know, give out these straight pieces. So you can see a lot of these straight pieces, and what I've just been doing is kind of like pulling them off or whatever. But I don't know if I'm going to retwist my hair. Probably do a couple one night, a couple the next night, just to refreshen up like my roots and stuff. I did leave my baby hair out on purpose, but you can see my roots, they're starting to grow out. I have some pieces that are still closer to my scalp, and then some pieces that are not. So like maybe I just didn't braid tight enough in those areas, or they just grew out. But in the back, definitely probably want to retwist the back so they can look more neat. As you can see, my hair is really coming out of those in the back. So I just wanted to give an update. My opinion on this hair, it is super soft. It is so soft out of the package, y'all. Like, and this ombre on this hair was like, it's so neat. Like, it's so nice, and it's not like bam bam. You know, you get some pieces of synthetic hair where the ombre is just like they just painted a line straight across, you know, but this hair isn't like that. And I really liked that about it, because my roots are darker than my ends of my natural hair. So that was one thing I really liked about the hair. And second thing about this plier is the amount of hair that you got, that I got for like 20 bucks, something like that. It was 20 something on Amazon Prime. And to me, that's a good deal for this type of protective style and having this good grade of synthetic hair. So see my hair, my real hair there. Here's the twist, what the twist looks like. Starting to puff out, giving that natural vibe. I don't think I really have too many cons about the hair, because of what I did while having this style in. I believe that if I would really this is the tangling I was talking about, or you know, the strands coming out from it being curly. So you know, it's processed to be spiral curl, but it'll at some point revert back to what it needs to be because it's synthetic fibers, right? But yeah, that's probably about the only con I really have, especially for the way I had upkept or maintenance of this hairstyle. I'm roughing my hair. I got too much I'm doing between work in the military and wearing your hair in a bun every day. That takes wear on the style. And then me going to Vegas, me being in a pool, I just wanted to see how long this hair would last. So I'm really not mad at the hair. Not mad at the style. I watched several videos on YouTube with different techniques for the passion twist. And for me, the best technique is braiding my real hair at least an inch of the way before I put the hair through the crochet needle and put it through my head, because that allowed me to have more grip. I've tried the regular braiding method, as if you would use single braids or do box braids. I tried that in the back. That hair is too soft for me. It was slipping right out. So I definitely don't like that method. And with my hair texture, I'm not sure the rubber band method is best for my hair texture. I believe I want to try it when I start retwisting the back of the hair, redoing the back twist this coming week. I might use the rubber band method in the back of my head, but I'm definitely not going to do it in the front of my head, especially because that's where your hair is finer, more curlier, especially around the edges. So that's something I probably won't do, but I might try it for the back of my head with the thicker parts, because I did part the bigger sections in the back because I didn't want a lot of twists, because I have to put it in a bun every day. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you think about the style. Let me know what you think about the technique from the clip that I did, showing you how I did the twist. If you have any, you know, comments or any tips on what I should do next time, please let me know, or what hair I should use. I've been seeing people use the water wave, like regular crochet hair that you get from the store. I think it's the Equal or whatever. I forgot the exact name, but I've been seeing people use that hair for their passion twist. I might try that next time. I personally really like this spring twist spiral hair. It's because it's super soft. It is so soft. And the last time that I remember using that like water wave type of hair from the beauty supply store, it was from doing Bohemian locks, I believe, and I use that for the curly pieces to come out my lock. So if you really like one type of hair versus another type of hair, let me know so I can try it the next time I do this style. But other than that, like, let me know what you think about it. Please subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down. Tell me why you thumbs down, what I should do differently. And thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Peace.